And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 33. Let me show you the tilt shift effect. We'll copy the original, press Ctrl J. Here on the top, the original copy. Then we go to Filter, Blur Gallery. And here is an inbuilt tilt shift blur. Left click on it, and on the right you now see all of these blur filters. So it's basically the same menu, but rearranged a little bit. We want to stick with the tilt shift. And I think it's easier to adjust it by going to the canvas directly, left click drag on the center to reposition that. And then left click drag on this circle, which is for the intensity of the blur. And this is also the slider for blur under tilt shift. You can also distort it, which you can see in the blurred areas below and on top. Then there are these two lines to top and bottom. These are the lines for the blurriness. So the first line to the center indicates the start, and the last line, the one that's on the outside, it basically determines the end for the transition between the non-blurred areas and the blurred areas. You can just left click and drag on them to reposition them. We want to keep the distortion to 0%. And that's basically all there is. One more thing to mention is the top menu right here. I can see all of that happening in real time because I've got the preview checked. If that's unchecked for you, make sure it's checked. And then you can confirm high quality, which increases the quality a little bit. And it will take more time to get processed. So depending on what CPU you use, you want to check it or uncheck it. And finally apply the tilt shift effect by confirming via OK. Here was the original, and here's our tilt shift effect. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.